Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alejandro, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. In today's video we're going to be talking about the Cash App, what it is, how to use it, and if you stick to the very end, I'm going to share with you my referral link to get a $5 bonus just for signing up for a Cash App. Okay, so before we get into the video, make sure you give me a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss no more awesome videos like this. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Cash App. So what is Cash App? Cash App is a peer-to-peer mobile payment app that was created by Square in 2015. This app is very similar to other peer-to-peer payment apps. For example, you have Zelle, you have PayPal, and you also got Venmo, which is brought to you by PayPal. So basically what this app is used for is for the exchanging of money between two cash users. All you need to do to fund your cash account is either set up your debit card, set up your bank account, or if you get the cash card, you can set up direct deposit and be directly deposited that money into your cash account. In the Cash App, you exchange money through either an email, phone number, or something Cash App likes to call cash tag, which is your name starting with the number sign. I personally have all the peer-to-peer payment apps on my phone just in case the person I'm trying to transact with does not have the Cash App. So it just avoids headaches and makes things easier. If someone else has Zelle, I'll have Zelle, and if someone else has PayPal, then I can pay them through PayPal. Another feature that this app has is something called a cash card. The cash card is basically a Visa debit card. This card is linked directly to your cash account. And again, remember, the only way to fund your cash account is through debit cards, bank accounts, or transacting with other cash users. I myself don't personally have this card yet, but I am gonna apply for it. I'll probably do it in this video, if not in another video. But one thing I do like about this card is it has cash reward bonuses. These cash reward bonuses are called Boost. It's similar to some credit cards where you can opt in for certain cash backs. Some of the reward bonuses offered with the cash card are like 10% off restaurants or even $1 off any coffee shop that you go to. The third feature that this app has, which is my favorite feature, is the ability to be able to buy and sell Bitcoin. This app does charge a very small exchange rate depending on the size of the transaction and the spread across other US exchanges. Typically on the Cash App, what you're going to be charged is about 6 cents for every $5 you spend. That's what I've noticed. I buy about $5 of Bitcoin every single day through the Cash App. When you buy the $5 of Bitcoin, it automatically shows up into your account and it's going to say $4.94 is usually what I get back. So they charge you about 6 cents. Again, what you're going to be charged depends on how much Bitcoin you buy, the transaction size, and how much it's worth across other exchanges. Alright, so I'm going to walk you guys through on opening the Cash App right now. I got two phones that I'm going to be exchanging money from one account to another account. Now let's get started. So let's get started. Got the phone right here. First things first, we got to download the app. We got to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Again, referral link will be at the bottom for you to sign up, get $5 bonus just for signing up for Cash App. Alright, so let's get to it. Cash App. Alright, so we're downloading. And there it goes. I'm gonna have it either right here or right here, the screen recording. And I will have both screen recordings of both phones when I'm transacting with both phones, because you have to transact at least $5 worth. You have to transact at least $5 worth before you can receive those $5 from the Cash App. So now I'm going to open the Cash App. and it says welcome to the Cash App, enter your phone number or email to continue. Boom, put the email, confirmation code. I'm gonna skip the debit card. I want to link my bank account. I think it's better to link your bank account because it just makes the transacting much faster. And when it comes down to trying to put the money back into your bank account, it'll be better that it has your bank account on there instead of your debit card. So I almost forgot to use the referral code. I'm gonna go to in the settings. You can always type it back in right there in case you forgot. Let me pull up that referral code from my other phone. Go to settings, referral code FQRWMFX, enter. You see it says get $5 after sending a total of $5 with Cash App. So that's the minimum. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send $5 from my regular account to this secondary account. I'm gonna be looking down most of the time, so bear with me. I'm trying to record everything, make sure it all pops up on the video. So let's see, I gotta go to Cash App on my phone now, and I'm gonna send myself $5 from this phone to this phone, which should give me the $5 bonus, and then I'm gonna send it back. $5 pay. I'm going to pay it to myself. Whoa. Alright, pay. Send payment. Let's see what happens. $5 will be deposited once Alejandro completes the payment. Done. It took a while. It was about like 3 minutes or so. Saying right here. Now, so it took about like 3 minutes or so, something like that. And I sent the $5 from this phone to this phone. I'm gonna hit accept. Please confirm you would like to receive this $5 from Alejandrojromo. Confirm. It has been deposited and it will be available shortly. Alright, so at the bottom left corner of the phone, you can see that the $5 is available. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to send it back to my original phone. That way I can do a transaction of $5 and I can qualify for that $5 bonus. So let's go here. Let's go pay. Pay $5 to Alejandro. Pay. And it is processing. Okay, just give me a second. Let me fill this out. So I just had to put a little bit more information so I can send the money. So you see there, you sent the $5 to Alejandrojromo. You'll receive your $5 reward once you link your bank account. Alright, so now all I need to do is just link my bank account. And on the other phone you can already see that the $5 have arrived already. So I'm pretty much done with this phone, and we're gonna finish the process on this side. Alright, so let me set up my bank. Card. So it's asking you to put your bank account info before you can receive the $5. So I already did the transaction from both phones. and now I just gotta log into my bank account. I have Bank of America, but as you can see, they got Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chime, Fidelity. You can fund your Cash App account with any of these banks. So this is just my normal, what I would normally sign into my Bank of America, and I'm gonna type that in right now. I already attached my bank account to my Cash App. From what I've heard or seen, it takes about maybe 5 to 10 minutes for you to receive the bonus. So I'm just gonna wait and see if I receive that bonus. Right after I set up the bank account, I kind of ran into a small problem. I had to set it up with a different bank account because my bank account's already linked up to my first Cash App account. I had to link it up to somebody else's account, so I linked it up to my mom's account, and the transaction went through. And you can see it was at 12:13. They sent me the cash today, $5. Cash team, payment from the cash team, received. And that's all you need to do so you can get that $5 referral bonus. So now that we're done with the cash account, we're gonna go over to requesting a debit card so we can qualify for those special discounts. So we're gonna go to get free cash card. Pick your color, black, that's what I want. And right here you can kind of customize. You can put it to where it shows the tag or not. I'm gonna have it show the tag, and then I'm gonna customize it right here. Put a couple little icons on here. I'm gonna go for, let's go the money bag and with the Bitcoin. Boom. Let's move it over to the side of that. That looks good enough for me. Let's see what happens. Alright, where would you like the card mailed? So I'm gonna put my mailing address. Alright, continue. Boom. I'm not gonna add any money to it. Just wait till I receive it, and should take a few days. I probably should have read that little section, but should take a couple of days, and then we'll get the card. Alright, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you do give me a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. So we summed up what is Cash App, how to use it, and the cash card. I did not go over Bitcoin because I'm gonna go over that in another video, but as for right now, you know how to use a Cash App. I'm gonna make a follow-up video on that cash card when I get it, and again, Bitcoin will be coming up in a future video. And again, until next time, let's get this money. Peace.